6 out of 10 relationships are broken because of watching pornography and masturbation. Over 65% of men and 18% of women watch pornography every day. Research has shown that 2.5 million people watch pornography every 60 seconds. This is a pandemic. 80% of our relationships are going to be in trouble if care is not taken and this pandemic is not curbed. If you are caught in this web and you are stuck and struggling with masturbation and watching pornography, I am here to help you. My name is Olufunke Adetuberu, a therapist and a counselor. Myself and other professionals, we're going to be taking you through 4 weeks of intensive, dynamic moments of recovery from masturbation and pornography. Don't miss it. Send me a text on +234 90 2010 1080. Your mental health is my priority. Thank you. Looking forward to seeing you.